When we decided to buy this house, there are some issues. So we decided to dig in a little deeper and see if we could turn this into a little bit more of our own house versus what was built for the previous owner. When it came to the kitchen, after adding some new appliances, they just didn't fit quite right. And I came across DreamMaker, and that's when Betsy entered our life. We had our initial meeting with Betsy and told her kind of what we were hoping to accomplish, and she said, all right, I'll get something figured out. We really liked the options that she prepared for us, and we decided that that's the route that we were going to take. The process that Betsy did with us made it simple. We did a little bit at a time. We were able to take samples home to look at them in our house, and just the whole process from calling and setting up an appointment with her up into today has just been super, super easy, convenient. Everybody's been great to work with. DreamMaker made things easier. It was much more streamlined. I didn't feel like we were ever really having to wait. I think initially we weren't sure what we wanted, other than that we wanted our refrigerator to fit, and we knew that we were going to need bigger cabinets. It just worked out great. It just looks finished. We didn't know that this was possible, and you don't know until you ask the question.